Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here, photo class 622. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and comment below. My producer always says you always forget to say that. All right, here we go, guys. I just got this incredible attachment for my smartphone. Now, this is a zoom lens for your smartphone, whether it's Android or whether it's an iPhone, it just doesn't matter. This will fit 99.9% of all smartphones. All right, what is it? This is the APEXEL 5x to 10x telephoto zoom lens for smartphone photography. Now, vacations are coming up, the summer's coming up, and do you really want to carry your system that looks like this? Or would you rather have a telephoto zoom lens that fits in your pocket right along next to your cell phone? This attaches simply with a clip, and you can take it on or off. And not only that, but this zoom lens turns into a monocular, so you could do birding. Right, let's get into it. This is the model number APL TM5-10X. It has 10 optical glass elements. There's no plastic elements in here. It's fully multi-coated, and this is awesome because when you go to zoom with your smartphone, you know that that's just digitizing, right? It's a digital zoom. This is optical zoom. Now, let's open it up. Okay, so now I'm sure you're going to be very impressed with the case that it comes in. Check this out. Nice, sturdy travel case. Now you open it up, and what's inside? I wonder. All right, guys, there it is. So you get the zoom lens, you get the clip that clips onto your phone, you get cleaning cloth, instructions, and the eye cup that attaches to it so you can use it as a monocular. All right, now let's hook it up to the phone. So you just take it out of the case like this. Lens caps, of course, so you just remove the lens caps, front and rear lens cap. All right, you take the clip, okay, nice and sturdy, okay, nice and sturdy, has a piece of rubber here to protect your phone, okay. You see this front? We're going to screw the lens right into there. And by the way, I'm filming this in March. At my location is the historic Richmond Town Restoration, located in New York City. All right, so here's the lens. Now, 2 rings. The first ring, this ring, is for focusing, nice and smooth. The second one is for zooming. Now, how does it attach? Very simple. You take your cell phone, right? These are the lenses for photography, and you just clip it on, and then you tighten it down like this, and there you go. This is your zoom lens for cell phone photography. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to set this up on a little tripod that I have, and we're going to show you the test shots taken with this lens. Let's go. All right, guys, so now I attached the APEXEL 5-10x zoom lens on the front of my Android Samsung phone, and like I mentioned, it works on iPhones as well. So it's all hooked up. I'm looking through the screen now. Once you hook up the lens, you might get a circle image that looks like this, but that's no problem. Just take your fingers on your screen and open it up until the circle disappears. Okay, and that's what it looks like at the 5x magnification, and you can fine tune. I'm just focusing, and there you go. All right, now let's check out the 10x. All right, guys, so now this is at 10x. So you can see the magnification, which is just beautiful. Now, I think what we should do is show you how far away we actually are from this historic building using a standard 50mm lens.